Before we begin our lesson, let me check the attendance first. Citra,
Present.
Zeta,
Present.
okay, Fajar,
Present.
Zalia,
Present.
Linda.
Present.
Question?
Present.
Okay, nice. So everyone here today. Now I would like to ask the class leader to lead us in a prayer before we start today's lesson. Fajar.
Okay. Okay, guys. Silent, please. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you Fajar. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Salman Tayyulio, and today I would like to guide you to learn about OIST in the workplace. But before we come to the topic, let me ask you a question. Why is safety important in the workplace? Anyone? Okay, Zalia.
Safety is important in the workplace because it helps prevent accidents and injuries. It also keeps workers healthy and protects the equipment and environment.
Okay, thanks. Great answer. Safety is important to protect us from accident, to stay healthy, and to keep the environment clean and safe. Safety is also important because it protect us from injuries, keep our body healthy, and prevent damage the environment and equipment. Without safety rules, a small mistake could lead to a serious accident. Okay, next. Is anyone here ever heard about OIST? Anyone? Okay, next. Kita.
Assistant for occupational health, safety, and environment.
Okay, nice. Yes, true. So OIST stand for Occupational Health, Safety and Environment. There are basically three main courses included in this topic. There is health, stay healthy. So this is about keeping worker healthy while doing their job. For example, avoiding long exposure to screen without rest. Next, we have safety. Avoid accident. This is about preventing accident like electric shock or falling over cable. Next, environment. This means taking care of our surrounding, like reducing events and keeping the lab clean. So, OIST not just for factories. It is also very important in our computer lab, classroom, and future workplace. Okay, next. We come to the why OIST is matter. So there are three main reasons why OIST is very important. First, prevent accident and injuries. It protects you from accident. For example, using a damaged power cable can cause an electric shock. Next, it protects workers' health. It keeps you healthy. Sitting with bad posture for too long can cause back pain. Okay, next, keep work environment safe and clean. It keeps the environment clean and safe. For example, by managing electronic waste properly. So by following the three OIST rules, we can work comfortably, stay productive, and avoid danger. Okay, now let's take a look at some common workplace hazard in the ICT field. First, we have electrical hazard. Electrical hazard is like damaged cables and left hand touching plugs. Next, there is ergonomic hazard. Ergonomic hazard, such as poor posture or bad chair and monitor position. Next, trip hazard, like cables lying across the floor, like this one. Okay. Next, fire hazard, such as placing flammable item near hot devices. And the last but not least, health hazard, like dusty room and poor air circulation. So each of these can be dangerous, but we can avoid them by being aware and careful. Okay, next, here are some basic safety rules that you must follow in the lab. First, keep area clean. Next, avoid touching plugs with wet hand. And next, sit properly, no food or drinks near devices, and last, report image. Report any other condition to your teacher or technician. Following these simple rules can prevent many accidents. Okay, next we come to example or real life scenario. Okay, imagine you walk into the lab and see a cable running on the floor. What should you do? So you can move the cable to the safer place, take it down, or report it to the teacher. Even small action like this show that you care about OHSE. Remember, OHSE is everyone's responsibility, not just teacher or the technician. Okay. Now, can anyone here to summarize what we have learned today? Maybe Zeta, can you please summarize what we have learned today? Zeta, please.
Okay, today we learned about OSHA, which stands for Occupational Health, Safety and Environment. We talked about why OSHA is important to prevent accidents, protect our health, and keep the workplace clean. We also learned about common hazards like electrical and agronomic hazards, and we discussed basic safety rules in life.
Okay, thanks for the answer. Can we take applause for Zeta? So, to close today's lesson, OHSE help us work safely, stay healthy, and protect the environment. In your future career, whether you work with computer or in any other field, OHSE will always be important. So let's practice good safety habits now. Be alert, be responsible, and remember, work smart, work safe. Okay, now before we end this meeting, may the leader to lead us in prayer.
Okay guys, silent please. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next class. Stay safe and stay healthy.